Traders, if you go through my uploads here, I posted this gold trade idea on the 14th, and it was about this deep pullback and taking a trade as soon as this gave us higher highs and higher lows, moving away from this zone down in here. I've updated it. This was an update earlier on. We're looking at pulling the stop loss to break even and taking 50% partial profits. This was posted 5 days ago now. It's Monday. And my latest update is to secure profits now. It's 7R, so I would close this and look for a pullback for another re-entry. So if we go out of here, this is the idea. And this has worked out quite nicely. I'll just take that out. At the moment, this is overextended, and I don't know how long this trend here is going to continue. So we're reaching into, let's just go out all-time highs, and it's going to rely on liquidity on the retrace to be able to continue to trade higher. In other words, at some stage, expect similar to this down in here where we had quite a deep pullback. I'll just mark that up. I'll just show you this. So it traded up, and then we had a really deep pullback here. That's the liquidity that smart money will be looking for. Now, smart money obviously accumulates down around here, and then they reaccumulate maybe here. But as this continues, they're going to rely on a deep pullback into taking out these sell stops that are resting under here. And I'm reluctant to buy at this level, given that we have this 4-hour imbalance resting here. So that's a potential target for this to trade back down into, looking to rebalance. Additionally, we have, this accumulation range all through here. That's a key level as well. Right, so I'm thinking, potential for this to pull back for a re-entry. I'd be interested in getting involved down in here. So through this imbalance, possibly something like that could work. I'll go with a deep stop under this previous accumulation range down in here. We could even pull this red candle through here. Okay, so this is a level of interest that we need to be mindful of down in here. Stop loss under this value area. Okay, possibly an entry point into the imbalance, and then go to town with the target. Well, you could set up a 2R target to start with and extend it. Now if this pulls back and we get a fill here, I would be looking to the same thing as I mentioned earlier in the last update, is to pull the stop loss to break even, or better than break even, and sit on it. Right, so that's my update. The Q to enter would be this pullback down in here, something like that. If it happens to trade back down, if it doesn't, I'm willing to let it go. But I want to see something like that. And this price action is similar to what I was pointing out back in here. It's a deep pullback, so that this enables big money then to hit these stops. If I grab the anchored VWAP and pull it from this low, I mentioned this in previous video. See how we're stretching out now, second deviation out from the mean. If we consider that usually when price pulls away from the mean and it gets overextended, you should expect a move back, and that comes into play with this imbalance as well. So you could look at it from this point of view. So we extend this midline, the mean here, with this trend, and coupled with the imbalance, kind of makes sense that would be a potential entry point. All right, so that's my take on gold. I would love to hear your thoughts on this, so definitely leave a comment below. This is a trade idea video, and I think that pretty well sums it up. Okay, so hope you gain some value out of it, and with that, have a great day, safe trading, and we'll see you in the next one.